The main focus for this science day was to develop individuals with a strong content and a strong character.
The three ideas of the science day that were based upon that dedications of Rishi: fearlessness, wonderment and respect.
We had these words fearless that came up. You had improbable, so the whole concept of wonder. Were they being reckless about it? Because fearlessness sometimes can be reckless, right? So with respect coming up. So in trials you will get a particular circus act. Great Wonder Circus starts today!
We were going to connect Science Day with the circus theme. It got everyone to a whole new energy level. We were given tightrope walking, so there were many physics and biomechanics concepts that were present in the tightrope walking.
In order to create a product and refine our concept, we researched in many ways, which included referring to books, going online and researching, visiting our experts, and finally we created a blog which we are continuously updating to represent our understanding about the concept and our product's idea.
Welcome to the Great Wonder Circus at the Riverside. So are we ready? Please stay. Okay.
It would be great for me to be a part of a circus theme based science fair. And today I see how the science behind the circus came into a product.
It's like a girder. You have seen a girder that goes triangle. That's how. So because of that, the strain is being distributed more effectively, and some will be lost to the environment, some will be lost to the base, which will lose its to the foundation. Again, this will reduce the amount of strain on the building and structure itself.
Every school should try to encourage this sort of science day which are more based on prototypes than based on simple presentation.
Taking circus as a focus is what I've seen as first time. The students did a design thinking project very well. Like they caught the real problem. They caught the real principles of science from the circus as a community event, and they solved it in a real way.
So first of all, our circus act for the entire science day was the Rolla Bulla. The Rolla Bulla is basically a balance board that you might see in a circus.
We looked at the act, the Rolla Bulla, we analyzed it, and under each science we came up with a few concepts that we can relate to it. So the first one, physics. We came up with center of mass and the law of moment of forces. Center of mass because the person who is performing and is standing in the Rolla Bulla needs to maintain a center of mass to be able to balance and stay on the platform.
And another was that weightlifting one. They were also very clear that we want to help workers to lift with the heavy weight.
Understanding, scientific understanding, their actual practical resolution can go to a slightly higher level. I see that potential here.
Superb, really good. I'll start at the top, flying volandas.
Every child has something different to contribute. You might be good at the presentation, somebody is writing it, somebody is researching. So there's something on the platter for everybody.
One thing that will probably stay with me is the kind of energy we have this time and how everybody is putting in so much of effort.
I think it was a really good process for knowing our peers better, and I think that's how we build respect for each other.
And I think science is obviously all about that, trying to understand more, trying to gain more knowledge. And I think if I were to borrow something from Rishi, it'd be that attitude of wanting to know more and wanting to learn more.